Choose to rent, advancing events through technology.
Zebra White Screen Fix. Let's get started.
Hey, so here we have a Zebra ZD620 with a white screen. As you see, the printer is on, but the display is blank. The fix is actually pretty simple usually. We just go ahead and we reseat or just make sure a cable that goes into the LCD port on the motherboard is fully secured. You'll need a star-shaped screwdriver like this. Just go ahead and unplug the printer. And you want to flip it over. You'll have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just go ahead and unscrew them. These 2 black screws are for the cutter. You take these off first. And you just pop the cutter off. And then these other 2 screws are for the actual printer housing. There you go. Just pop that off. And as you can see, we have this LCD cable here that goes here, and in this case it's completely unplugged. Sometimes you just need to reseat it, so pull it in, pull it out, but the connector is right there. You just go ahead and pull the cable back in like such, there. And then you can actually test this while the printer is like this. Just go ahead and flip it back over, plug it back in, and then just see if you get a good screen. You do. So you know the printer is good, and you just go ahead and put the printer back together now. So you put the housing back on first. Again, the 2 white screws are for the housing, so these go here in this hole here, and then this hole here. And the cutter kind of clips on, and then you put the 2 black screws for the cutter. Just make sure you put these screws in as tight as you can to avoid the cutter being loose. Sometimes if it's not screwed all the way, the cutter actually won't cut correctly. So just make sure to put the cutter screws as tight as you can. But now the printer's back together. Go one more time. Just turn it back on. There you go. You fixed the printer.